So I don't know if you can see this one or not, but it looks like it's going to be the same, about the same situation, broken ring. This is kind of a giveaway here, see how, so that's all that unburned oil coming through there, stuff like that. I bet she was a smoker. I bet she was. So I'm just going to put this back the way it goes for now. What I'm doing is I went inside and ordered a set of rings for this. Now I can't find my micrometer, and a set of rings for one of these ain't much. You get them online, so I just went ahead and ordered a standard set of rings. Because what you can do with if you got a standard ring, one for a shaft that hadn't been turned. Why can't I see today? Boy, my eyeballs. Either my eyeballs are getting bad, or I got the wrong glasses on, or something. You can take a good ring, and stick it in that hole and turn it flat ways, and you can tell how big the cylinder is based on how much of a gap you got left when you do that. And they said they'd have them by Friday. Today's Wednesday. Supposed to be warmer tomorrow. But I was thinking, well, if I got these 3 that I want to do out, I could work on honing the cylinder and all, and cleaning up the pistons. Lane journals look real good, and I'm happy about that. And then have everything ready to go in here when the parts get here, hopefully. Now I know with the coronavirus and all that, it may be that things will be delayed, but you know, it's not the worst thing that could happen. Basically, we got time around here to do stuff. Although I am hearing that people are going to be going back to work in some places. We got a friend down in Georgia. She's a hairdresser, and her husband has some difficulty with his lungs a little bit, and she's elected to just go ahead and retire because she don't want to bring home anything that's going to kill her husband. I completely understand that. You know, if he's got any kind of, you know, sensitivity to anything like that, the last thing he needs is anything that's going to compromise his lungs. So I'm actually pretty glad she made that decision, because she's a lot of fun. They're both a lot of fun to hang around with when we are in Georgia. You know, now they're talking about this virus going on into the winter time. There's been a couple of things on there where they've been saying, well, CDC, whatever that is talking about how bad things are going to become wintertime. And I'm saying, wintertime? You're talking about this going to last till wintertime? And you know what? If it is, I might have that hot rod chromium plated by the time this is all over with. You know what I mean? So, yeah. We'll do what we have to do. As long as we have to do it and be alive. I'm luckier than some folks, because I remember when I was living paycheck to paycheck, missing a week's work would not have been an option for me. Oh, sure, would not. And I know some young people that are like that. They just do the best they can to get by. So I completely get it. Make decisions. Okay, these were the three with compression problems. This one here, I'm guessing it's gonna have another broke ring. Looks like all the rings are stuck on this one.